Looking for a pillow that offers more than just softness? The Doreve CloudFaster pillow features an ergonomic butterfly-shaped design made to support your head, neck, and shoulders while you sleep. It uses memory foam that adapts to your shape and includes contoured areas designed for both side and back sleepers. One thing that stands out is the unique shape. The raised sides provide neck support, while the shoulder cutouts give you more room to find a comfortable sleeping position. It's also designed to be breathable and help with temperature control. However, the unusual shape may take some time to get used to, and comfort is very personal. It also shouldn't be viewed as a medical solution for ongoing neck or back problems. Overall, the Doreve CloudFaster is an interesting option if you want ergonomic support and memory foam comfort in one pillow. If you prefer a more structured pillow rather than a traditional soft one, this could be worth considering.